Let's check out what we have here at Unique, especially in classics. Looks like a Polar 1995 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Laramie extended cab. Cummins diesel underneath the hood, 5.9 liter turbo diesel. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 100,000 on this one, so a lot of miles left in this, and it is well taken care of, and it shows. Go ahead and take a look at the front, fascia, bumper. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see every angle of this truck, be able to see the undersides, the interior, bed of it, take your time looking through the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Claret red metallic paint. This is original paint. Again, no accidents indicated. Clean Carfax. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC underneath the hood, along with that 5.9 liter turbo diesel. Dana 80 rear axle, limited slip differential, 410 rear gears. Again, this is set up and it's ready to tow. As you can see, auto trim design running boards. Interior is a split bench seat up front. 5-speed manual transmission with overdrive. We also have some things set up in here, so it's already done. Again, if you're looking for a vehicle that's going to tow, it's ready to tow. Airbags, fifth wheel plate in, topper on it, decelerator, and smart brake control, or brake smart control, along with the owner's manuals. Manuals for the extra components that have been added will be included, as well as what you see right here. Little sun block for the windshield, as well as side glass. It's kind of a little, I guess, console to add to the interior. And then of course that rear gate for if you had a fifth wheel on it. And again, the manuals. It's like a couple extra mirrors. Those things will go along with the purchase of this 1995 Dodge Ram 2500. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let me show you the bed of this. This truck has always been in our area. Used to pull basically campers south. Look at how nice this bed is. This has not been used as like a work truck, farm truck, anything like that. Also check out the topper. Very nice topper for useful purposes. You can open up both these front windows from the outside, as well as venting these rear ones, both sides. So again, very functional topper. Show you this works here on this side, just like that. So you can still get stuff out of the side of the box without having to crawl through the back. And again, can come on and off when you're ready to tow. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As far as paint, yes, you're going to find a few imperfections on this thing. It's got a little over 100,000 miles on it. But considering the miles, and all you're talking about is a few of these little, just real small imperfections in, say, a driver's door, or maybe a spot here or there where it's been touched up with a little touch-up paint because somebody takes care of their vehicle. That's really about all you're going to see around this one. And then take a look at this interior. Door panels, hardly showing any wear. Power windows, power locks. We have a power driver's side seat over here. But take a look at the fabric on the seat. Not full of rips, tears, holes. There's no odor, smoky, anything like that. Of course, tilt and cruise. AM, FM, cassette on this one. Little driver's information center up here. Headliner good, sliding rear window. You'll be able to see in the still pictures the rear seat, fold it up, fold it down. There's that brake smart control, gauges for the airbags. Citizens band radio also. And that decelerator you're also going to see once I hop up in here, right here. So we're going to go ahead and fire this up. We won't let it run too long. We are indoors here, but I want to at least let you hear it run. There'll also be a driving video on this. So let's check that out. Roll plugs warm up here in a second. All right. No check engine lights, no service engine lights, anything like that. No warning lights, period. We slip around to the back. I'll let you hear it run out here real quick. Again, we are indoors. Take a quick peek under that hood. I'll shut it down. We'll wrap this video up. I'm going to pause this real quick, get that hood open, and check out the engine bay. Take a look underneath at that hood liner. Again, this thing has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look how clean that is. And I'll let you take a quick peek at the engine bay and let you hear it run. Also a screen added in front of the radiator, so you just pull that out, make it a lot easier to clean out bugs and stuff, put it back in, don't have to worry about them going into your radiator. $1995 Dodge Ram 2500, 5.9 liter Cummins turbo diesel, Laramie SLT package. Two-wheel drive, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1995 Dodge Ram pickup, turbo diesel. This is a manual transmission with 5 forward gears, including a low gear. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're able to take some driving videos for you. This truck's a strong runner. Feels like lower mileage than it says. It does say 109,000 on the odometer. Radio works good. Our blower motor works. Windshield wipers are working. I like the manual transmission. Much easier to control the power the way you want.